Am I in trouble?
Mr. Green, you're an actor?
Yes.
And in your free time, you like to play shogi and pet your neighbor's cat?
Tiffy? Yeah, she's a great cat. Tiffy's great.
We, AI, would like to replace you,
Yeah, sure.
but AI would like to use your body.
Yeah, sure.
Mr. Green, AI would like to use you like a puppet in some video.
Yeah, sure.
You'll teach English and make people laugh.
Oh,
We'll AI will control your body and make all decisions for you.
that's a relief.
Your body will be thrown away once it's no longer needed.
Only natural.
Any questions?
Nah, not really.
Well, we'll start immediately.
Actually, I have a question.
Yes.
Will I get paid? Tiffy, would you like to play shogi tonight?